I'm a production scientist in the Department of Agriculture under Land Use Management. So we are practicing conservation agriculture. Conservation agriculture has 3 legs. It's no-till and cover crop and diversification. So today we are at Nkanga, one of the beneficiary project of Land Care, where we have implemented conservation agriculture. The project has been funded with no-till planter and a boom sprayer. We have been doing no-till in this environment and cover crop and rotation with sugar bean. The problem here was that the slope is large, so it needed conservational works. Hence we implemented conservation agriculture. There was even an area where there was a scar due to erosion, but it has recovered due to conservation agriculture. This is where we have 10 beneficiaries doing demonstration on conservation agriculture since 2021. So on cover crops, we use the ones that are eatable by animals. Since they are implementing their conservation agriculture in a communal land, we use oats and white clover, so that when they have harvested, there remains clover and oats for the animals to harvest during the time where there's no plants in the land. Under Land Care, when we do funding for CA, we also have included information days or awareness campaigns and skills transfer through capacity building, which are mostly done by accredited trainers. Out of what we started with in 10 hectares, we have seen an increase of about 14 hectares in average, wherein they even implement CA in their gardens. We have new members that are not funded under Land Care that have transferred from doing conventional tillage to conservation agriculture. So we have seen the impact of both information days and also the conservation agriculture trainings.
Lo myalezo ndiwuphathelwe liSebe lezoLimo.